A poor woodcutter and his young son live in a small village near a dense forest. Every day, the father ventures into the forest to chop wood, and the son often joins him, eager to learn and help. The father teaches his son the importance of hard work and the dangers of the forest. As they go deeper into the forest one day, the father notices signs of a tiger nearby, but keeps calm to avoid alarming his son. The bond between the father and son is strong, and they trust each other implicitly. As they continue their work, the father and son hear a terrifying roar echoing through the forest. The son is filled with fear, but the father remains composed, sensing that the tiger is nearby. The father understands that panic will only make the situation worse. He reassures his son, teaching him that in times of danger, it's important to stay calm and think clearly. The father's calm demeanor helps ease the boy's fear, and together they prepare to face whatever comes their way. Suddenly, a fierce tiger emerges from the thick underbrush, its eyes locked on the father and son. The boy's fear returns, but the father's steady presence keeps him from panicking. Realizing that running would provoke the tiger, the father quickly assesses their options. He spots two sturdy sticks on the ground and hands one to his son, instructing him to stand firm. The father knows that they cannot overpower the tiger physically, but they can use their wits and courage to protect themselves. The father and son stand side by side, holding their sticks high, facing the tiger with determination. The father begins to shout loudly, waving his stick in the air, and urges his son to do the same. Their combined noise and aggressive stance catch the tiger off guard. The tiger, unsure of this sudden display of strength, hesitates. The father's quick thinking and the son's trust in his father's guidance create a powerful front that the tiger is reluctant to challenge. After a tense moment, the tiger slowly retreats, disappearing back into the forest. With the tiger gone, the father and son breathe a sigh of relief. They finish their work, grateful for their safety, and return home. Along the way, the father explains to his son the importance of staying calm, using one's wits, and standing united in the face of danger. The son learns a valuable lesson about courage and the strength that comes from working together. Back at home, the father and son share their experience with the family, reinforcing the bond between them and the wisdom passed from father to son. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to share your own story ideas, and we'll create a video and upload it to this channel.